why we are applying for
Shark Tank season
season 5. Yes.
But then before we tell you about how did we land up on applying to the tank,
We'll give you the whole gist कि whatever we told you about last time से लेके अभी तक हम सब कुछ आपको बताएंगे.
we finally launched Sols
Yes.
and the response has been so great so far. It's been a month today since we have launched. तभी हम लोग इतने ज़्यादा busy हो गए, हम लोग videos वगैरह ज़्यादा नहीं बना पाए थे because we were really occupied. But we still are, but we thought कि we should just post an update video कि what's been up with us.
And there is like I think I want to say that again, that the response that you guys have given to our launch and
To us.
has been great. We truly appreciate each and every one of you who showed their support and literally ordered salts. So
Yeah.
thank you so much.
But then what we know for a fact now, it is the greatest product in the market, in this segment, any day now. So if you haven't grabbed it yet, go grab it now at DRNKSALTS and see for yourself. But besides that, we did tell you guys that we signed up for High Rocks Delhi. So that also happened meanwhile, like right after our launch. So that was like a week and a half ago from now.
Yeah,
But
and
उसके लिए
we couldn't like train ourselves a lot because launch उससे just 10 days पहले ही हुआ था and
so pre-launch hustle and post-launch hustle के अंदर हम लोग we were like lost. On a serious note, that it was only once when we actually trained for High Rocks.
We went to a boot camp and वहाँ पे they had everything, sled push, sled pull, sort of the equipments.
Everything, मतलब कि जो भी आपको High Rocks के लिए चाहिए सब चीजें थी वहाँ पे. In fact वो rope pull करने वाली चीज भी थी on, जिसमें आप हवा में rope pull के करके चढ़ जाते हो.
So वो हमने बस एक बारी जाके वो करा होएगा and rest हमारे जो जिम में whatever with limited amount of equipment है हमने उसी में ही सारा कुछ train करा था. But yeah, cut to the day, it was amazing, a great experience, and I think we are pumped up again, like to do it again basically. And
once you do it, there is no going back.
So मतलब कि अभी बॉम्बे में भी हो रहा है in September, but I think that's gonna be a bit soon for us, given कि next month in August we are going to Spiti for Spiti Marathon.
But then we are not participating. We are their official hydration partners. And what we know for now, that more than 1,700 people are going to show up for the same. So Spiti Marathon is going to be like a 10K. There's going to be a half marathon, which is 22, which there's going to be a full, which is a 42. And then they are doing an ultra, which is 77 kilometers.
Right.
So all the best to all of the people who भी participate कर रहे हैं. And obviously they're going to be hydrated with salts, so they'll be fueled for the whole
and even after like watching this video, if there's any runner who is going to run for Spiti Marathon, please you can reach out to us. We would love for you to be a part of our Salts crew and represent Salts for the race.
But you would not be the only one. We do have a few people, less than 10. But then we are trying to grow it right now as we are talking about it. But then we have less than 10 people, like more than 5, less than 10. You get the idea, right? So few people are running and they're gonna rep salts, and we're gonna send out merch to them in which they would have our tees with the salts branding on their backs and on the chest. So that's that.
And then I think our sales is going great, but I think अभी हम सिर्फ 2 लोग हैं, तो customer service, marketing, salesmen, finances, content, everything is just the 2 people. Because the other day we were on a call with someone and वो हमें pitch कर रहे थे कि हम एक किसी marathon के लिए we become their hydration partners. But it was just such a close call कि we had to turn them down because we both didn't have the bandwidth to
be present everywhere.
Exactly. So in that case, and then वो हमसे पूछ रहे हैं कि आपकी कोई टीम में से नहीं आ सकता, and then I was like कि हम टीम में सिर्फ 2 ही लोग हैं जो सारी चीजें कर रहे हैं. And even like during our collabs with run clubs and stuff, it's just the 2 of us who's present over there, and we are glad that you all take a step up and come and help us during that time as well.
Yeah.
So thanks for that.
And so far, we have been in Jaipur, we have done in Delhi, we have done in Dehradun, and next we are getting inbounds for like Bombay, Bangalore,
Yeah.
Pune. So by the end of this year, we would be closing like a few more run clubs and
Collaborations.
collaboration with them and a lot of community building in other
Yeah.
states as well.
Exactly.
And that's very interesting for us. And the response that we're getting is just phenomenal.
Yeah. No, I think a great example for that is ki when I was running in High Rocks, and so everybody with whom we have collaborated, they were present over there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And so it was very inspiring and like motivating itself to see कि cheerleading में से वो
Familiar face.
familiar faces, and then they were cheering for us, and then they वो support देख के we felt so good कि we have become, or like Salts has become a part of their community as well, and they believe in Salts and they're pushing us. So that felt really good.
That is true.
And then beyond that, we have started to put our pitch together, a pitch deck, because we want to make it very very good and have like a amazing pitch, so that उसी से अब हमारी fundraising की journey is gonna start.
Yes.
So the first step is to have a perfect pitch. So if you guys have any inbounds, if you guys have any inputs for us, please do let us know in the comment section, because a lot of help is needed, to be honest.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, but then that also led us to applying for Shark Tank, and
Yeah.
also another reference has
Gotten us to this show called Idea Bars.
so yeah, even this show is very similar to Shark Tank's format,
Yeah.
but then it is being aired for the first time, like it's the season 1 of this thing,
Right.
and it's
ZTV.
yeah, it's on ZTV.
ZTV. Yeah.
So basically a Shark Tank Indian version. Like imagine Indian Idol from America to India, Saregama for India.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Idea Bars for India.
Exactly.
So yeah, reference of hers got us into that, and we are
Let's see.
working on it. We are
Yeah,
working
we
on
are
it.
working on it.
Yeah.
So let's see how that goes.
तो
but
अभी
then-
तक तो यही सब कुछ हो रहा है मेरे
Yeah.
साथ.
And but then soon, like in September also, we are gonna be present at High Rocks, and we're gonna meet
Yeah, we are going to High Rocks, Bombay.
everyone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
But
this
not
time-
to participate. This time is just for like a brand activation and to like talk to so many of you guys. So this has been our update so far.
Yeah.
And if you guys want to know anything else, just hit
Comment
us up.
section.
Yeah, hit us up in the comment section, or you can DM us on Instagram, whichever way you like. Let's see you in the month of August then,
In Spiti.
in Spiti.
Yeah, we're gonna create so many vlogs and so many more
Yes.
videos, and it's gonna be for the very first time कि हम लोग Spiti जा रहे हैं. We're very excited.
Yeah.
And obviously, as a brand, so it's like a business trip that we are actually taking for the first time. No, for the first time, but then on this big scale for the
Yeah,
first
yeah,
time.
yeah.
So it's very exciting for us.
Yeah.
And even we haven't realized ki how far we have come in our journey, and it's almost going to be a whole year in September when we move back to India.
Right.
So it's been a long journey. Time has just
Flown.
it has
Yes.
just gone past us. But then it's been so fun, and it is so glad to have you guys around us to see us build, grow,
Right.
build fast, break fast kind of a situation.
Yes.
So we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.